In this video, we're looking at the Tracket app on the App Store for monday.com and why it could be the solution to your time tracking needs. Monday.com has time tracking with a built-in time tracking column. However, the implementation keeps it simple so that anyone can use it. You simply add the column to a board, and on the item you want to time track, hit the play icon to start a timer and the pause icon to then stop it. While it can show you sessions you've logged and has some functionality with formula columns, it requires something of a workaround to get reports. That's where its usefulness for teams, especially agencies using retainers, really comes into play. Thankfully, the Tracket app in monday.com is the alternative that you're looking for. Tracket logs time within the item, either by hitting start or by manually inputting the session times that you're logging. However, you can go a step further by inputting both the actual time and the amount of that which is invoiceable. So if the item is in relation to a job for an account with set times for actions, log both the time cost to the customer and the actual time taken, so you can use the data to make adjustments to costs or look to improve efficiency. In the category section, tags can be used to log what type of work this is against the item. All of this data can be exported and used elsewhere in your workflow or analysis, and are reportable on your boards for easy visual representation of your time tracking. Tracket can be added to your monday.com account by heading to the app marketplace, searching for Tracket, and then adding it. Then when you want to track on a board, head to the item that you're tracking against and add the Tracket view, and this will be included in all the items on this board. You can then start tracking. We'll leave a link in the description to the Tracket app so that you can check it out for yourself or even add it as a trial to your account. Or if you prefer to someone to help you through it, then Enable have been helping hundreds of businesses with their professional service needs. Again, check out the link in the description to book a free consultation with our team. Or if you're looking for a better way to log progress on all of your projects, then you can check out this video up here where we run through the Roll Up Multiple Boards app, the one app that you need if you do project management in monday.com. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, take care of yourselves.